Welcome back to the moral science class 9. We are beginning with we're going with the chapter 2. So we'll do the question and answer. 3 to 4 question answers I will discuss. You please write. You can write in the interleaf copy. It is better to write in the interleaf copy. So the first question, answer the questions. How did Vinod prove to be a blessings for all? Children, you can write on your own, but for your guidance, I am giving these answers. Vinod was a very calm, 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 calm. Vinod was a very calm and polite boy. He always had a magical spell around him which attracted everybody. He believed that his classroom is a mini world and he loved all of his friends. This is the first question of the answer. Now turning the page for the second question. Turning the page for the second question. It is little bigger. Please pay attention. I am holding this way so that you can write nicely. The second question is, explain how his message went viral in the school. I am going through, pay attention and look at my writings and write. Vinod wrote a message and display. Here you can write displayed, ed, because this is past tense. Vinod wrote a message and displayed one on the soft board that become blessings all the time. I hope you understand this much. Now the second paragraph, and he posted a story of kindness. A man showed kindness to a poor orange vendor. Every day he peeled off an orange and gave to that orange vendor to prove that her oranges were sour or not. Actually, this is Y, by mistake I forgot to write Y. Actually, here is this. Actually, he showed kindness to that poor lady. This story read by the students of the school. Understood? I am holding this right. You can write on your own also. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3. Do you justify the action of Ajay towards the elder by vendor? Why? Yes, I can justify. Ajay was really a kind-hearted person. He knew that the poor lady who was selling oranges would never tasted orange. So Ajay made the trick. He showed that the orange was sour and he gave that lady to taste or for taste, anything. Ajay showed kindness as sweet as the orange. I am holding this right. So children, next day we'll start chapter 3. Today we'll do 3 question answer. Question number 1. Question number 1. Next is question number 2. Question number 2. And the last one is question number 3. I hope you all have enjoyed. You can make on your own, but I have guided. Only 3 question answers you will learn from chapter 2. For today, bye bye. Next day we'll meet again.